All right, Ricky, we got off of Amazon 16 cars. We're going to open it up here and see what we got today.
Looks like a new life experience.
So are you going to stay awake for this?
I'm awake. I'm wide awake. Whenever there's a Hot Wheels box being opened, just makes my eyes get wider.
You're going to check your phone in the middle of it?
Not going to check my phone.
Here we go. Got most of them upside down, so we can't see what it is. Let's put this right here so it don't roll off. What's the first car we got? We got a Diora 3. What the heck is a Diora 3, Ricky?
Yeah, I have no idea, but it reminds me of those old Ford Econolines where you're sitting right over the wheel. Makes you bounce right out of the seat.
Yeah, so the seats are up on the front right here of this car. That's interesting. And then it's got a little red motorcycle inside of it. And I don't know if you guys can see it on the video or not. Got a line right there. Trying to make this where everybody can see it. And
it looks like a real Southern California Pismo Beach cruiser.
Upside down for me here.
Boy, that thing is really kind of cool.
Yeah, really neat. So it's got a surfboard and a scooter in the back of it. It's from the Surfs Up series. It's number 4 out of 5, and for the main line, it is 71 out of 250, and it's Diora 3 Surfs Up.
Very cool.
Very cool car.
Custom.
All right, next car. We got Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. Really cool.
That's a real dragster right there.
Retro racers. Man, that thing's got a huge hood scoop on it.
Yep.
Monster hood scoop. Out of the series, it's number 5 out of 10, and for the main line, it's 56 out of 250 with a skew of HKH05. What do you think that looks like? What do you think?
It looks like a dragster. It looks like a drag racer for the strip.
I think it looks like an old Mustang. What do you think?
It does. It has all the earlier characteristics of a Mustang.
The 1984 Mustang SBO, when they finished working on the SBO Mustang, they went over and worked on the Turbo Thunderbird. There's a commonality right there.
I see the influence.
Yeah. Cool car. What's next, Ricky?
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Pagani Zonda R.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Nice styling.
Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit, let people look at it. Yeah, look at that.
Looks like GT1.
Yeah, that car is beautiful.
Beautiful car.
I like the yellow wheels on it, the white, got a lot of decals.
It just looks fast, doesn't it?
It's a nice diecast vehicle for sure.
Yep.
Hot Wheel Turbo Series is 1 out of 5, and of the main line, it is 72 out of 250. And the skew is HKJ36. HKJ36. There we go.
Beautiful car.
What in the heck is this, Ricky?
Wow, I'm not sure. Pink stuff on it. It's got pink wheels, a pink windshield, and a pink interior.
It's a Barbie Extra, pink and white.
How special is that?
Look at that. It's got a little pink trunk.
Wow.
Got a little pink eyes for headlights. You like that, I know.
I don't know if I like that, but it might look good in a miniature Barbie house.
It would look good in a little miniature Barbie house called Hot Wheel. It's of the Screen Time series. It's number 3 out of 10 for the main line. It is 57 out of 250. And let's see what the skew is on it is. HKH 11.
Hot Wheels needs to come out with some pink track.
Right, next one. Oh, we got a Roadster. This is in the series Hot Wheels Roadsters. It is a Max Steel. That's a neat car.
Yeah, it is. Long wheelbase, probably handles real well.
Oh, yeah, right. A Roadster handling well.
Oh, they handle well. That's low slung and engine sits low.
You know what the problem with it is? It's only a 6-cylinder.
Well, it's lightweight, so it's going to be fast.
But what kind of 6-cylinder do you think that is?
It looks like a Porsche or a Corvair engine.
Why would you say that, Ricky?
Because it's got 6, is there 6 holes coming out the side?
Yeah, it's got 3
or
on
3,
this side.
Yeah.
3 on this side and probably 4 on the other, Ricky?
No, that doesn't add up.
You don't think it's a 7-cylinder?
No, 2 plus 2 is not 5.
Okay, so of the Roadster series, this is 5 out of 10.
Beautiful little car. Big
And,
Porsche fan in the front.
Yeah, it's got the pusher fan.
Yeah.
And of the main line, it's 62 out of 250. SKU is going to be HKH 39.
Interesting.
Neat car, neat car.
Yep.
What do we got next, Ricky?
Looks like a motorcycle.
A motorcycle.
Look at that. What is that, a BMW?
BMW R Ninet Racer.
Wow.
R9T Racer. I wish I knew whether this was a real bike or not. Okay, I know nothing about bikes nowadays. Back when I was a teen, I would probably know if this is a real bike or not. But today, I don't know. It is the Hot Wheel Moto series. It is 2 out of 5 in that series. Mainline, it is 68 out of 250, and the SKU is HKL01. Neat bike.
Yeah, you don't see too many motorcycles.
I like the spokes on the bike.
Yep.
And I love the blue color. Really neat color.
Yeah, good looking bike. You got the cylinder heads out the side. Flat pancake engine. Very cool.
Yeah. Cool BMW.
Nice BMW.
Yeah. Okay, what is this thing? It is a Twinduction. A Twinduction.
That's right. Looks like it's got a ram induction. The air rams right down those horns in the front.
Got a huge cowl on it.
It's really cool. That's an interesting design. Those guys are really creative.
Yeah, it is of the series Muscle Mania. 1 out of 10 in that series. And of the mainline, it is 73 out of 250 with a SKU of HKH 22.
I like the blue. It looks like a seafoam blue.
Yeah, the blue is really nice.
Very retro color.
Very nice on that car. Very, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I see a Unimog coming.
Oh, there we go. There's the Mercedes.
Oh, this is going to be your track car, isn't it, Ricky?
That's a good one. That's a good one.
There's your track car right there.
Yeah.
You know you love the Unimog.
Probably got a suspension on it that works. Who knows?
Active suspension.
Might be active suspension.
That's probably a tough vehicle right there. What series is it in? It's in the Hot Wheel Hauler series. It is number 3 out of 5. For the mainline, it is 61 out of 250 for the 2023 year, and the SKU is going to be HKH 26.
Sweet truck.
New car.
What do we got here? Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
That is an art Camaro, art car Camaro.
Art car Camaro.
Very popular amongst the...
Yeah, a 68 COPO Camaro. A 68 COPO Camaro art car?
Yeah, lots of colors. And it's got the rainbow look.
Yeah. Series is Hot Wheel Art Cars, number 5 out of 10. Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in that paint job.
Wild car right there.
Multicolors and wheels and boy,
it
nice.
Is for the year for the mainline is 63 out of 250 with a SKU of HKH 49.
I love those Camaros. Those are beautiful.
You'll probably steal that one off of me, won't you?
Yeah, I'll pocket that someday.
Okay, what do we got here? We got a Group C Fantasy.
It's like a real concept car, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of a concept car. It's got the wheels off of what, the C4 Corvette?
Yeah, it's got those fan blade. Yeah,
fan blade wheels.
Yeah, those are directional, so they got to stay at the same corner.
Really?
You can't mix those up because the fan will be going the wrong way.
Interesting.
Yeah, you flip them around, the fan is not going to work. So they keep those brakes cool.
So it's in the series of Hot Wheels Track Champs. It is number 3 out of 5 in the series. For the mainline, it is 89 out of 250, and the SKU is going to be HKG 34. Neat car, neat design by.
Yeah, looks like something like the newer Corvettes are starting to look like.
Yeah, kinda.
Somewhere in there.
But this is a new design for 2023.
It's nice.
Right there on
it
the
is.
blister package itself. So that's neat. So I'm sure they'll be having more of these in the coming years. Get that one while you can. What's next?
Oh, we got the Batmobile.
Batman Forever Batmobile.
Wow, look at that.
That's cool.
That is amazing, huh?
All the kiddies are going to want that one.
That's right.
Especially after watching the movie. So it's the Batman series, Batman Forever series.
I'm not sure I remember who was in that movie.
2 out of 5 of the Batman series. It's a new car for 2023.
It'll be interesting to see how that one rolls.
Yeah, and it's the main line. It's 55 out of 250 with the SKU HKG 38.
Nice.
Nice little car. It looks good.
Yep.
And those are kind of those Corvette fan wheels right there. we were talking about.
Using them again there, huh?
Yeah, kind of sort of using them again. I'm not sure that's the same wheel though, but maybe it's the same wheel. It very well could be.
Looks pretty cool.
So we can show people what the wheel is there. Maybe the camera will focus in on for us. Yeah, pretty neat.
Yep.
Pretty neat. All right, here we go.
Here.
What on earth is this?
Is that a Mazda?
A 1989 Mazda Savannah
Wow.
RX-7
yeah.
FC35.
Wow, look at that apple green that's on there.
Wow, that's a cool little car.
So it
right
got
there.
gold wheels and apple green. Pretty.
That's a good combo.
Yeah, it is. It's
you don't ever see that.
Complimentary.
Yeah.
Very complimentary.
Yeah, that's a nice little car.
I
right
like
there.
it. Yes.
Yeah. If it just had a little bit better motor that didn't die.
Yeah, they don't
Mazda
go very
motors.
far. Yeah,
yeah.
big problems with those seals on the
Yeah.
rotors.
So this is Hot Wheels, the 80s series. It's number 4 out of 10. For the main line, it's 51 out of 250 for the year. And the SKU is HKG 81.
I recognize that car.
What's this coming up?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Looks to me like a Jeep Wagoneer.
Look at that.
A Jeep Wagoneer.
That's a nice
I've
one.
always wanted a Jeep Wagoneer.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, isn't that nice?
Wagoneers are cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
What year is that?
88.
That is really cool.
Yeah, maybe this one will have the articulating suspension
Yeah,
as well.
it might.
And this is
They seem to do that on the trucks.
Yeah, this is the 80 series as well. Wow, it's got the Warren winch on it up front. Man, this one's really detailed. This is a nice little truck right here.
Stealth color, you know.
Yeah, got a stealth color, but it's a nice one.
Good looking Jeep.
Like I said, it's the 80 series. It's 5 out of 10 in 80 series and 52 out of 250 for the main line. And a SKU of HKG 86 for those of you keeping count. All right,
Look
what's
at
up?
that.
We got 3 more cars. 3 more cars, Ricky.
There's a mean looking bus.
Wow.
Interesting looking bus.
What
huh?
is that?
I'm not sure. It looks like it's chopped.
It's a Hot Wheels High, is what they're calling it.
Has it got dual engines in it, or what's in there? What's in the windows?
I think it's got dual engines, Ricky.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, look at that. You can kind
Those
of
turbines or those engines? I can't tell.
It's probably turbines.
Yeah, look at that fancy purple and a lot of graphics.
That's cool. I bet you that thing be fast on the track.
Good looking graphics, man.
Yeah, that's a cool vehicle.
That purple is pretty violet purple.
Okay, so this is called Hot Wheels Metro Series, and it's number 1 out of 10. Okay, in that series. That's a cool vehicle.
It might have some weight. Might go really good on the track.
Yeah, it's 53 out of 250 for the main line of the year, and it's HKG 91 is the SKU.
We'll see how she rolls.
We'll see how she rolls later. Oh, we got one that's come.
Wow.
The packaging is open.
It's open. Look at that.
Open. Oh my gosh, it's a Mazda 787B.
Yeah, that's a GTP car.
Yeah, okay, I'm just going to pull this out.
Wow, that's a good looking car.
Given the glue has failed on it.
I like that. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Is that not gorgeous or what?
Yeah, that's GTP.
Yeah.
They were really loud. They were so loud.
Yeah, they had that.
They had to have special mufflers at Laguna Seca to run that. They have noise rules over there.
Wow, look at that. That's a good looking car.
Yeah, that's a good looking car, yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like that one.
Okay, let's see what's got on the card here.
Sweet.
Retro Racers. It's number 4 out of 10 of that series. For the year's main line is 28 out of 250, I believe. SKU is going to be HKH 01.
It wants to get on the track because it's already open, ready to go.
Wow,
we didn't have to lift a finger.
Won't have to lift a finger on this one.
Wow.
I don't know, this one right here, for me, the Grand Wagoneer, so far, the Grand Wagoneer, this car, and the Unimog, to me, and maybe the BMW motorcycle. Those are the main cars I really like so far.
Yeah, those are pretty good. They're high on my list too.
Yeah.
What do we have here? A Bentley.
Dodge Charger Drift.
Oh, okay.
It's a Dodge Charger Drift.
I think that was the Bentley. They have a racing Bentley. That's
No.
not a Bentley.
It ain't a Bentley.
That's a Charger. Looks good. Look at that big wing.
Yeah.
What's
Huge
it say
wing on
on
that
it?
bad boy.
Wow.
Almost looks like a police car, but it does say
does.
Hot Wheels Track Pursuit on there.
Yeah.
What do you think that means? I mean, what do you think they mean by that?
Pursuit of success to win. That's what that's all about.
This is kind of of a confusing car because it's got the word drift in its name, and then it's got pursuit on the door, and it's got kind of
what's it
kind
say?
of a police car vibe to it.
It's got 55, so usually the police cars have numbers on top, which unit they are.
Yeah, so it's got a number on top of the roof there. Maybe you can see that. It's just an interesting car all the way around.
It is. I like the color. It's a nice green, pretty green.
Good green. So it's the Metro Series again. It's number 2 out of 10
I like it.
Of the year is 54 out of 250, and the SKU is going to be HKG 92. So yeah, that one goes in my set of favorites as well.
Pretty nice.
You know what? I'm going to put my favorites right there. I'm going to call that one of my favorites. Okay, that one right there is one of my favorites. Can't put this anyway so that people can see it. Okay, I like the Unimog.
Unimog's good. The motorcycle's good.
Unimog is good.
I like the Pagani, though. That's one of my favorites.
You like the Pagani? Okay.
I think they're all becoming our favorites real fast.
It's kind of
you like that pink one. I know that.
Kind of hard to pick and choose, isn't it, Ricky?
It
okay,
is.
Got those 3, and definitely the Mazda
That's
Racer.
a good-looking car right there.
That's a good-looking car.
If we had the whole series of all the cars that used to race in that,
yeah,
the Mercedes, the Porsche, we would really have a race.
And you like the Pagani.
The Pagani's kind of that styling. It really is.
Pagani's really nice.
Yeah, you could put the Pagani in that category.
Yeah, and then, like I said, I like the Wagoneer.
All Group C or... Yeah, Wagoneer's sweet.
Wagoneer is really
That's really jacked up.
Really jacked.
Yeah, it looks
it's
good.
A nice little, little ride. We may have to do us a 4-wheel drive track at some point in time.
Yeah, you need some way to figure that one.
Anything else you like out of the box, Ricky? Anything else?
I like the Camaro. I like the Camaro a lot.
You like the COPO,
the motorcycle's good, but that's a whole different world, motorcycles.
Yeah, the COPO Camaro, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I like just Camaros. You know, they're just nice cars.
All right, that's the box. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy hunting, happy collecting, happy racing. Have a great day.